Hi, I'm going to make the homemade Subway. See, what we need is a salad, onion, gherkin, carrots, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, olives for the sandwich. The Subway sandwich. This is Subway sandwich. You can have in the Morrison with the two cheese. I will grill this bread and cheese, and then I will put all these salad, and then this is the tuna with mayos. What I made is it tuna can, mixed with the mayo and olive oil. No need the salt. The can is already salty. So bit of the pepper, ground pepper, and you may need also the mayonnaise extra, tomato ketchup, and sriracha if you like hot. Put the bread in the air fryer and grill for 20 minutes. Okay, bread is toast and cheese is grilled. Actually, 1 minute in the air fryer. Yeah. Then put first the tuna mayos. Okay. Then put the salad in the sandwich. Then top with a sauce, sriracha and ketchup. That's it. Then you will get the Subway sandwich. Please try and make it.